ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome back to my another YouTube video. So for tonight, we're just gonna check four pairs that will make us profitable this week. So make sure if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like the video, and make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. So let's get down to the chart. So the first pair that we're going to check out is GBP JPY. If you remember correctly, I did do the analysis, so I still have it. So on Friday, that's when I got my entry. My entry was somewhere here. If I remember correctly, my entry was somewhere here on Friday. So I'm still holding on this pair. Entered it on Friday, so obviously my target is here. So my target is gonna be here. So it started to move just today, but slowly moving. But I'm very patient because now the trade is on break even now. So I'm just waiting for it to move heavily to the upside, then I'm happy with it. So, but for now, I'm still in the trade. It hasn't done anything yet. I might get another opportunity. I might get another opportunity and get in again in the trade. So, but I'll carefully wait for it, but it won't come here. But it's a continuation pattern here. But wait for it to break here, then I'll go in with my second entry. Go in with my second entry on GBP JPY because my first entry is on. So I locked the profit. I locked my profit on the first entry. So here, maybe I'll hopefully see tomorrow morning. I'll break, then come for a retest. Then that's when I'll go in. So this is what I'll be waiting for on GBP JPY. So this will be my second entry. This will be my second entry. Wait for it to break, come for a retest, then I'll go in again. So we'll just have to see how it goes. Make sure, guys, if you're not in my Telegram group, make sure to get into my Telegram group. The link is down below in my description. So make sure to get in so you can see how it will play out. So the second pair that we're going to check is gold. And gold, I'm also in the trade. Gold, I'm in the trade. If you can see, this is a beautiful reversal pattern. This is a beautiful reversal pattern. Let me just go down to the 4 hour so you can see. So this is a beautiful reversal pattern. So the market is changing the direction now. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So the price broke, came for a retest. I went in. I went in on the retest. So I'm in the trade. I locked my profit, but I didn't get this entry here. But let's see how it goes. Maybe it might come for a retest. Maybe it might come for a retest. Then I'll get in my second entry. This is gold. So let's just be careful on it, guys, because you see this last candlestick. This is a big rejection. So we'll see how it plays. But I locked in my profit. Definitely if it comes, and let me just go down to the small time frame. If it comes and does another continuation pattern, something like this, then I'll definitely go in again, get another entry on it, and go down with it again. So this is what I'll be waiting for on gold in order for me to go in again on the trade. So if guys you not following me on Insta, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can also see my setups, because most of my setups I also show them on Insta. So make sure you follow me on Instagram or you in my Telegram group. So this is what I'll be waiting for in order for me to go in this trade, to go in again, because my first entry I locked my profit. So this is a nice setup, guys. This is a nice setup. So let's wait for it patiently and get an entry for those who didn't go in. So the third pair that we going to check, third pair we're going to check is AD Cat. AD Cat haven't gotten an entry yet. haven't gotten an entry. Still waiting for an entry. So this one here is a strong zone on the daily time frame. Let me just show you. Let me just zoom in so you can see it. So you can see this is a strong zone. This is on the daily time frame. So it's still playing. So still waiting for an entry on it. So this is what we expecting in order for us to go in the trade. Let me just remove this. This is what we're waiting for in order for us to go in. This is what we're waiting for. This is the first 15-minute time frame. But this is what we're waiting for in order for us to go in the trade. So we just have to wait patiently. Just have to wait patiently on this trade because we've been looking for an entry. So this one here, price broke, didn't come for, it did come for a retest, but I wasn't aware, if I remember correctly. Yes, it did come for a retest, but I didn't see it because it moved, then I didn't wait for it to come to a retest, so I missed this opportunity here. But I was gonna go in and my stop loss was gonna be here, then I would have hit my target. But now there's still an opportunity for us to go in. So we just have to see how it plays. So it might come here for a third touch, then wait for it to break the trend line, then comes for a retest. Then after it comes for a retest, then that's when we go down with it. So remember guys, our target is on the daily time frame. This is just the 15-minute time frame. We just want to see what's happening, but I like the way it's moving. We just want to get a third touch here. So if it does come for a third touch, obviously my first entry is going to be here. Here will be my risk entry. So this will be my first entry. If it comes until here, this here will be my first entry. Then rejects, then comes breaks the trend line, then I'll go in for second trade, then go down with it. So hopefully it will play as we see here on the market. So but we'll patiently wait for it. As you can see, this is a strong zone on the daily time frame, if you remember, but our target is here, guys. So we still have a long way to the downside. So obviously our target is gonna be here. Our first target is gonna be here. Then our second target is gonna be here. So here we'll just patiently wait for entry. Definitely we'll get an entry this week. We'll get an entry. Otherwise we'll have to put our sell limits, our sell stops. We'll put our sell stops in order for us to go in this trade. So the last pair that we're going to check is Euro and ZD. When on Euro and ZD, still playing, we're still waiting for an opportunity in order for us to go in. If you remember, if you remember correctly, this is where we ate. Our last entry was here, then it did hit our target. So now it's still playing. We're still waiting for a pattern in order for us to see what's going on, but we're still going to the upside, still looking for buy opportunity unless it breaks this channel. That's when I'll start looking for sell entry. Let's just remove this. If it plays like this, that's when I'll wait for in order for me to go in for a sell. I'll just wait wait for it to come break and come for a retest, then that go down with it. But for now, I'm still looking for buy opportunity. So I'm waiting for it to do a continuation pattern. Let me just go down to the 15-minute time frame. So I'm waiting for it to do a continuation pattern. Then I know that it's still going to the upside. So still waiting for it to see how it plays, but there's no pattern yet. So if there's no pattern, we wait for it patiently. Wait for it patiently and see how it goes. We might evolve this pattern, we might evolve it, but this is the first, this is the scenario that I might come to. Then break. You have to wait for a break. Let me just do this. Wait for a break, come for a retest, then that's when we go in. Then we go up with it. But let's wait for it. Let's wait for it and see how it plays. But I'm still looking for a buy opportunity until the market tells me that it's changing direction. But for now, I'm still looking for a buy opportunity. So let's wait patiently. Maybe we'll get an entry tomorrow morning, guys. Make sure to wake up early. But you know, we have different time zones. So let me not say that because we don't use the same time zone, sorry, we don't use the same time zone. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. So thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day.